Welcome to PLP. The following video will cover the installation of airflow spoilers. Before beginning installation, ensure the cable is de-energized and the area where the airflow spoiler will be installed is clean. Choose the location for installation of the airflow spoiler. Once the location has been chosen, wrap the application support helix around the cable and slide the airflow spoiler away from you until the first gripping section is in the correct location. Wrap on the first gripping section. Now move back to the application support helix and remove it. Wrap the airflow spoiler around the cable in a right-hand lay direction. Ensure the transition areas between the spoiling section and the two ends of the airflow spoiler are below the conductor. Install the second gripping section by wrapping it around the cable and snap the end of the gripping section in place. The installation of the airflow spoiler is now complete.